Welcome back, it's Fortek 9. So today we're going to be reviewing this guy. So this is the DEERC 1205. If you guys like RC stuff, make sure you guys subscribe down below. As you guys can tell, this kind of looks like the Groms. Looks like they got a color inspiration from the Mojave 4S. So quick specs, this thing is brushless, four-wheel drive. It runs on 2S and it can run on 3S, but they only include the 2S batteries. If you're going to be running 3S, you might have a little challenge. These batteries right here, they look a little different because of this little groove. As you could see, there's a little slot. I tried to put a 3S battery in here, but because of that, it wouldn't close. So maybe next time I'll have to think of something, and that way I could put a 3S battery in here. So you get two batteries, which is pretty cool. They do have a battery indicator, which is pretty awesome. Kind of reminds me of like the drone batteries. So let's go ahead, plug in the batteries, and let's rip it. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. So this thing does come with lights on the bottom that you can change colors. There's also two guys inside. You could cycle through different modes, different colors, and then if you want to, you could also turn it off. Here we go, first run. Ooh, nice little drifter. Oh, that looks sick. Screaming. Man, I want to see this thing on 3S now. Yeah, the only thing I think the suspension might need a little tuning is a little bouncy. Ooh, that was nice. So you could get a good jump right here. This thing is pretty fun. Nice. That was pretty cool. All right, let's hit the track. I don't think we're gonna clear any of the jumps, but we'll hit some of them and we'll just see how well this thing corners. I don't think this thing has a gyro, so let's see if we can take this corner real quick. It's pretty zippy. All right, let's try to take this corner one more time. Nice. Big jump, let's see if we could clear it. Nope. Oh, so close. Almost. Let's see if we could clear this corner. I think this might be the only jump we could clear. Here we go. Yeah! Honestly, guys, if you guys want to get your kids into the hobby, this is a perfect way right here. I think this thing costs like 120 bucks on Amazon, and with some practice, you can control this thing pretty good on the track. And we're running 2S. Oh man, I can't wait to run the 3S on this thing. Ooh, I think the lights are blinking. Might be dead battery. Sadly, with the rough landing, it looks like we did bust one of the lights right here, which is no biggie. You could replace that if you want to, but it's still drivable and this thing's still pretty fun. So let's go ahead and change the battery and go find a different spot to bash this thing. We got some fresh batteries, so we're gonna go bash one of my favorite spots. Let's see if we could go find some cool jumps. Nice. Not bad. For the price and for the fun this car delivers, this thing's pretty awesome. I'm actually curious to get a grom. I don't have a grom yet. And I want to get one and see how it compares. This is so fun. Oh, that's cool. I think next time we take this thing out, we're gonna run 3S, so look out for that video. Oh, there you go. Lights blinking again, dead battery. There you go, that's it for this video. We didn't break anything besides that light. I think it's a pretty fun car for the money. This is the DEERC 1205. I will link down below if you guys want it. Thanks guys for watching, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time.